It's not easy to make a custom-made system running. You can see now our engineer is programming the new package system. Oh, it seems that he's facing a lot of bugs, and like computer science, PLC control program is always you can always encounter a lot of unexpected bugs in your program. So the system is alarming, but for sure he will find them out and solve all the problems step by step. As an integrator of a custom-made system, SWITEK also have a lot of projects. For sure, it is there's a lot of work to do, because you can see how complex is the control systems to be. So many servers and controllers. You must find out the point and to have them work properly. For any bugs, just find it out and solve it. To make an efficient system is cooperating of a lot of people from different fields of both mechanical and electronic. Let's automation and let's SWITEK automation. We are working hard and to make things better.